Okay, so we are going to strip the inside of that car, plug the roll cage in. We don't have any mounting brackets, but I think we're going to spend the next hour or two, because I think it's going to take a while to be honest with you. Just take out the interior, take out the carpets, take out the mats, take out everything, and then we'll see how difficult it's going to be with the soft top up and down, and then we'll take that out from there. So let's do it.
Right, that's all the poppers and the carpet out. Maybe you should take your self top off. Okay guys, so you can see it's in now. Basically it's touching this very seam, look at the very front. I just had to bend this back. I might cut a little bit more off here, but basically it is in. Right, these 3 bolts either side, these 10mm bolts, were there, there and there, and they are just basically pushing on the shoulder, so I've taken those 3 out. Once it is bolted to the floor, through these, and it's bolted back through here, then these would have been redundant anyway, so there's no need for them. So yeah, remember to put all your packers back in underneath, and then put this bolt back through in and secured. So yeah, we're going to mark these holes here with a felt pen, and we're going to drill the holes next and then get the bolts. We haven't got any bolts or plates at the moment, but we're going to do that next time now. Cheers. Okay guys, this is the cage in. We've moved this wire in, as you can see. I've put seam sealer on the floor. I put sticks like actually to seal all the holes. 3 bolts in there, 2 bolts in the side. So 2 bolts in the side. What I've done, I've dropped the safety belts out. 1 bolt at the bottom there, and 1 10mm bolt at the top there. Just to drop the safety belt to get my hands in here to do the nuts up. Now I'm going to chuck the safety belts back in, and then we're going to do the tin wear. Okay, the tin work here, I've cut in half because obviously it's too long to get in with the bars. don't cut it right in the middle like some guy did on Facebook, because there's a hole for the poppers right in the middle, so don't cut it right in the middle, cut it about an inch away. So then basically just cut the plastic around here. I'll take a still picture which I'll show you. So just cut the lip which sticks out off, and then you just trim bit by bit around until you get it right, basically. Fold it back in.
Got the four-door Miata by here, German edition.
You're meant to be working, not drinking.
I am working.